Last date for receipt of applications for admission into Master of Computer Applications program of the Andhra University for the academic year 1989-90 is 15th July. You secured second rank in the entrance test. You are a first class science graduate of Usmania University, but you have resubmitted the marks memorandum and degree certificate to the university for rectification of a minor mistakes. Write a letter to the Principal College of Engineering, Andhra University, Valther, requesting him to consider your application for admission to the above program subject to the production of necessary certificates and stating that you would submit the marks statement and degree certificate as and when received from the Usmania University. Write a letter to editor Indian Express Hyderabad regarding storage of English medium textbooks. Students of intermediate are facing a lot of difficulties due to non-availability of textbooks. Prices of these books are very high when compared to Telugu medium textbooks. Lecturers in junior colleges are following Telugu textbooks only and students are forced to refer to those books. Students are helpless, unable to overcome this problem. Intermediate board will take a sympathetic view of the matter and at least from next year print the textbooks on time. Wanted for a senior executive and active personal assistant who should be in a position to coordinate between various departments of a production oriented organization and should be prepared to travel with the executive. No bar regarding academic qualifications, but the applicant should be good at spoken and written English with proficiency in typewriting and shorthand. Knowledge of the twin subjects in Hindi will be an additional qualification. Salary commensurate with qualifications and experience. Draft advertisement post box number 58 care of Deccan Chronicles Secunderabad. You are a practicing advocate 34 Law Chambers High Court of Andhra Pradesh Hyderabad. Draft a public notice notifying that your client Mr. Ramana entered into agreement to purchase house Happy Home at Malakpet from Mr. Anand and paid considerable amount as advance. Any person having any claim, right, title or interest in the said property under civil law may contact you with relevant papers and documents in original at the address given hereunder during office hours within 7 days of the publication of this notice, following which transaction will be finalized. No objection will be entertained thereafter and it shall be deemed to have been waived. Write a letter to a dealer of reputed standing inquiring about the rates of color television sets. Ask him whether there is any hire purchase scheme and if so, request him to supply the relevant rules and regulations and catalog. Find out whether your black and white television set can be exchanged by paying difference for the color set. If not, whether he can arrange for sale of your old television set. Inaugurating the Silver Jubilee celebrations of Gorakhpur University, the Prime Minister said, I am indeed very happy to come over here to participate in the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your university. This is an ancient city having great history. This land contributed very many sages and noblemen to India who have earned a special prize in the history of India. They remain a source of inspiration to our people. The people of this region have also made a glorious contribution to the struggle for freedom. Though economically backward, the people of this region have always worked in a constructive manner and with a spirit of dedication in the service of the country and the society. Compared with other universities, our university is very young. Though young, this university has achieved a distinct place in the field of education. It is very difficult to find another university in this state or in any other part of the country which has been disseminating knowledge over such a wide area. The jurisdiction of this university extends almost to the half of the state. This shows the greatness of your university. The present system of education has no doubt produced a good number of scholars, engineers, and technicians in our country. It has also contributed for the spread of education among the people of India. But there seems to be something tackling somewhere. The expectations of the society and the nation have not been fully achieved. Education must be so transformed that it can very easily take in its sweep everything from outlook to character and from human values to progress. It must create a personality that is universal. It must make man so generous that his heart reflects the whole of society. In order to achieve this, quite a good number of commissions consisting of eminent educationists were set up from time to time. The reports presented by them are of great value. We are not going to stop here. It is a continuing process. Now we have to see what is needed at present and what we can do within our limited resources. We must make a beginning by reforming and developing of our educational system so that it can very easily meet our present requirements and also devise new things for future. It should illumine our tradition and cultural heritage and produce people endowed with new knowledge and devoted to action so that they can bring the best in human knowledge not only to the country but to the world at large. I wish that we should adopt a system of education which is free, traditional, and scientific, and at the same time committed, progressive, and reflecting our culture. It should be imbued with a new vision and a new vigor. I feel very sad that casteism, communalism, and regionalism have entered the field of education also. People with small minds quarrel and create differences over petty matters, which is ultimately leading to frustration. It is only the people who have a breadth of vision who could unite all sections of the society, and it is unity which makes us great. If we forget this, we will be showing contempt and disrespect to the fundamental principles of unity. Education does not consist in merely imparting information or making people literate. As far as I realize, the only purpose of education to make us integral human beings. Educational institutions or workshops for molding men. I therefore call upon the universities to nip this frustration prevailing among the students in the bud in order to guide them constructively towards the noble path.